top. It'll be 10,378 feet. It'll take about 15 minutes to get there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please address them to me. If you feel like you're getting sick or weak in the knees, let me know so I can open the doors and let you out. If not, I'll be pointing out multiple different formations on the way up, filling you in on a little bit of the info.
Say hi. Wow.
A little bit of forewarning. As we cross towers 1 and 2, there will be a slight sway. It feels like an elevator motion. Nothing too bad. And Tower 1 standing directly in front of us. It stands 232 feet and leans at an 18-degree angle toward the city of Albuquerque for a smoother decline. It was actually the tallest man-made structure at the time it was built.
Oh, look at me that way. Hold on to me.
If you look out of this cabin door opposite of me, you'll see a big rock sitting on a peak. That rock's called golf ball rock due to the fact it looks like a big golf ball about ready to be teed off. And this cabin door, the same side that I'm on, this rock sitting up at the top peak of this mountain, 45-degree angle. A little bit of size perspective, that's about the same size, if not a little bigger than this cabin.